I'm stepping into floor plan number 2 at Ocean Residence. This is one of my favorite 2 bedrooms. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,000 square feet inside air-conditioned space, and about 500 square feet outside on the terrace. Really awesome floor plan. Both bedrooms open up onto the terrace, as does the living room area. Very open space. So if you follow me this way, over on that end, you've got the guest suite, which has its own ensuite bathroom, a walk-in closet, and a beautiful ocean view. Here we're inside the master bedroom, which also has a walk-in closet, incredible ocean views. But one of my favorite features on this floor plan is the spa bathroom from the master suite. So step inside here. I want you to take a look at the view from the shower in here. It's really spectacular. Come in here, guys. Don't be shy. So you can see very spacious bathroom, and just turn around here. This is the view from the shower as you look out. Pretty special. Let me show you another awesome feature on this floor plan. So it's all about the views here at Ocean Residence. And this floor plan really does not disappoint in any way. You've got 500 square feet out here on the terrace. We're overlooking the beach club area. Keep in mind, as beautiful as this is, it's also going to be enhanced in the near future upon completion. So really special floor plan. Definitely one of my favorites. My name is Arun Jagtiani from Island Real Estate Team. If this floor plan interests you or anything at Ocean Residence has your interest, give us a call. We'd love to serve you.